big deal. It's very much not K-pop related today, but we have the Inferno X booster box. So we both, yeah. Did I say it was the Korean one?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, we got the Korean one. One for her and one for me. I did mark it when you chose.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. But we both each got one. And yeah. Which one are we hoping for?
I want the Piplup.
That's the only reason why she got it. I want the Mega Charizard. The front, side.
Oh my gosh, it's like a blind box.
Side.
Oh!
Okay.
Wait, wait. These are my hits.
Look, it was already my break.
Hits. Wait, cute.
That's a girl.
Oh. Okay.
Last one.
Oh! Okay, you got that one.
I can't see it, but you know what? It's okay. That would be good content. Anyways.
Good one. Oh. Yes, yes.
What was that? Oh,
Girl, whoa. Oh, wait.
Our main thing is we're getting Piplup for her. We're getting Piplup for her.
Oh my gosh.
No, you probably would.
Wait, I brought sleeves.
Am I crazy or are we gonna do the same thing? Oh, which one? Oh, what's that?
Hey!
Give me a... Oh, Piplup. Darn.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, ice cream.
Oh,
Which one?
yeah. Wait, I like ice cream. What is that?
It's awesome. Oh, it's awesome. Make sure you again.
This one's kind of cute, guys. Hear me out. Guys,
Yes. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh.
wait, really? I saw something. Oh, okay. That's it. Torch.
Every time I see you like that. That'll be great.
We have more time?
Yes.
Oh,
Wait, what is it?
oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
That
one looks like a bad one.
What? Oh. I'm keeping that in. What kind of it?
It's not even that one.
Oh,
Yeah, like I want to see it.
I got Charizard.
You know what? Let's just take a look at
That's all we got. Get it across. Make it across. I know. No, make it on. Holding on. Make it holding on.
guys.
forgot her name. And then, yes, another Mega Sharpedo. Or Choreo. My little bunny. It's pretty dark now, but it's okay. The Yamper is so good. The Empoleon. I think this is Dugong, right? No. I also got that.
This octopus.
Octopus?
Is it not
That's a
an
bird.
octopus? It's a bird.
Or a Choreo.
It looks like an octopus.
I didn't show these ones because we might give as well.
I also got this.
Oh, the hair cross is so good. That Flygon too. Oh. That was so good. Reggie, my man. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Anyways, that was it for our unboxing of Inferno X, the Korean hat. But yeah, maybe you'll see us again.